The practice of kata is fundamental to traditional karate training. However, for little ones, memorizing the steps involved can be somewhat challenging. This is a technique that parents can use to teach their little ninja the steps and the foot placement in our first kata, Shin Taikyoku Shodan. Before starting the kata, it's important to understand the stance that we use in Shin Taikyoku Shodan, front stance or Zen Kutsudachi. Starting with feet shoulder width, step 1 foot straight forward, 2 shoulder widths in length. Back foot is pointed out at 45 degrees, back leg is straight, and the front knee is bent directly over the toes. For tips on how to help your child with the stances, see the Shin Taikyoku Shodan video on our YouTube channel. There are 10 total steps in Shin Taikyoku Shodan, but start with teaching the first 5 steps, and once your child can independently demonstrate all 5 steps, then teach them steps 6 through 10. Before starting, cut off small pieces of painter's tape and number each piece of tape. You are going to place these pieces of tape on the ground so your child can see where to place their feet. You can also use sidewalk chalk if you're doing this outside. The main idea is just to create a visual cue for the child to better understand where to put their feet. For teaching the steps in the kata, don't worry about correcting the form of the stance. Just keep in mind the length and width of the stance when putting down the pieces of tape or the numbers on the kata.
Right here. Step right here. Good. Now here, let's see. Front foot. There you go. Good. Here. Here. Good. Stay there, bend that leg. Okay. Now, the back leg is going to come right here. Okay, so turn with the back leg. Good boy. There you go. Okay. Good job. Leg. Right here. Excellent. Okay, now turn back foot here. Good. On the line. Bend.
Teaching small children new concepts and skills, especially your own children, can be pretty frustrating at times. So remember to be extra patient, and when the kids are listening and trying their best, give them lots of praise.
Good, good. Okay.